Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So the dollar CAD, I'm definitely still looking at this as a downtrend. I still think it's going to stretch out into a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Most likely a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, which I think would take it down to the 78 or possibly even the 100% Fibonacci extension. It could even turn into a wave three, which would possibly bring it way down here. But I think at this point, we definitely want to look at it more as an ABC. Either way, definitely looking for shorts. Heading down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we're going to have to keep an eye on this because it could be getting close to ending a crescent. I think this first push down is a 1. I still think this move up right here is a wave 2. And I still think it's going to go down and make a 3, 4, and 5, most likely a 3, 4, 5 of wave C, like I was explaining on the monthly time frame. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely have what I would consider kind of a three-way pattern here, and then another three-way pattern. Kind of looks to me like we're forming a WXY, which is a 333 pattern. If that's the case, and this is actually an A of Y, this is a B of Y, and it's possibly going to go up and make a C of wave Y, which I think would make the most sense because it should take out the high of wave 4, maybe go up to the 61.8, ending this wave Y, WXY of 2, and most likely continuing back down for the big wave 3 like I was showing on the weekly time frame. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, like I said, I suspect this right here is actually a wave A of Y. I think this move down is a correction like a wave B of wave Y. I don't really see any evidence that this is actually over yet. I would have to see a nice impulsive move up with like a break of structure. So I don't really think I'm quite ready to go long yet, but I do think at some point, probably in the very near future, this is going to end in a B and head up for the wave C of wave Y, most likely making a nice Fibonacci bounce with a nice bullish engulfing move to the upside. So heading down to that 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, we definitely have a little bit of a fib bounce, but so far there's really no evidence that it is actually going up yet. I would have to see like a nice break of structure, and then on the pullback, like the retest, that's where I would try to get along for the continuation of this uptrend. Like I said, I do think that this right here is a correction, and we could even already be in the wave C. It kind of looks like it's making like an ending diagonal for the wave C right here because of how overlapping this last section is. Kind of looks like this could already be the A, B, and then this is an ending diagonal wave C, and that it could keep on turning right here. It could go up, break structure, pull back, and like I said, that pullback entry is going to be a much safer place to get in because that should be the end of a wave 2 if that's the case in the beginning of a big wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.